Okay friends, we always talk about vocabulary. Now the words are made up of three things. We have a root word, then we have prefix and we have suffix. If you have enough knowledge of these root words and prefixes and suffixes, it will be easy for us to decode word contextually. We'll play with the root today. Let us play with the root flu. Flu is a Latin root word which means flow. Now in this podcast will have a great influence on you when it comes to learning this influential Latin root word. To get versed over the first, let us start straight off with the word influenza. How influenza has come out of flu. Influenza once was thought to be a flow into people of evil influences of the stars. The word flu is simply a short word for influenza and can be now thought as pathogens and other disease-causing agents flowing into the victims to make them sick. The worse the flu, the more it holds the victim health in flux. What is the meaning of flux? Flux is in a state of flowing from good to bad and hopefully back again, seemingly changing the flowing at will. Have you ever heard influential? Again, the same thing related to flu. Influential foreign language teacher, that is one who causes excitement of speaking a tongue other than your own to flow into you. Perhaps the teacher's influence, see, influences come out of flu, sent you over to Germany where you have become fluent in German. Fluent. The language flows from your tongue in an effortless stream of words. Visiting a country which speaks the foreign language you are studying will improve your fluency in that language, or the way the foreign words flow through your tongue. The sciences have library borrowed from Latin word flu, which means flow. Consider extremely reacting element fluorine, which means flow, eagerly flows towards other substances such as water, organic compound and minerals in order to combine with them. Fluorine is so reactive that it rarely found isolated in nature. The same is fluoride. The anion of fluorine, for example, flows towards cations such as sodium fluoride, widely used to prevent tooth decay. A fluid, of course, is a state of matter which flows, that is liquid, such as liquid form of water. A fluorescent bulb, light fluoresces or flows through it. Effluent, EFFLUENT, is the waste that flows from a factory or other influential system, generally as sewage or other liquid pollutant in a body of water. Let us hope effluents are not released into confluence of rivers. Now again, confluence at a point where two rivers flow together. Let us hope that you don't experience effluent flowing into your confluence that provides your drinking water, but rather experience affluence, AFFLUENC, during your life. That is the flow of money towards you. Got it? Now that we are thorough with flow, with the root word flu, it is time to leave. But make no doubt that the influence of flu will continue to be considered in learning English vocabulary. Influenza is a flowing of evil influence or from the stars, or flowing of pathogens in your body, that is a fever. Flu is short form of influenza. Flux is in a state of flow. Influential, a positive or negative, the person who can make positive or negative forces flow into another person. Influence is that positive or negative force flowing. Fluent is the words flowing through the language, through the tongue. Fluency is an action of word flowing from tongue. Fluorine is an element which flows towards other, reacts with them. Fluoride is a highly reactive anion of fluoride. Fluid is a state of matter in which it flows. Fluorescent, the flowing of photons. Fluorescent. Fluoresce is the flowing of forward of light. Affluence, flowing out of something which is bad. Confluence is point at which two rivers flow together. And affluence, flowing towards someone with wealth. So I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.